Today's video is L'Oreal Infallible Press Powder Foundation 365 Copper versus MOCHA 370. So I'm going to put copper, my left, your right. And on my right, which will be your left when watching this video, I'll put mocha so you can see the difference. I'm using this sponge for mocha. Mocha with the sponge, my right, your left. My right, your left, I'm going to use copper 365. This is the sponge. .365 copper, my left, your right. After I finish applying it with the sponge, I took this Real Technique brush and dusted off. So this is what copper is looking like. My right, your left when watching this video, I have MOCHA 370. After I finish applying it with the sponge, I took this e.l.f. brush and dusted off. Let me know in the comments if you can see the difference. MOCHA 370 compared to 365 copper. I appreciate you kindly for watching. Today's I am says, I am grateful for all the wonderful things in my world. I am grateful for all the wonderful things in my world. I pray that that will be an I am that you can appreciate. Always, always remember you're safe. Love yourself plenty. Never ever give up on yourself. And if you think that you need help with anything, I am asking that you will please reach out to someone. I love you always until I see you and you see me. Make everything wonderful in your world. Make everything wonderful in your world. See you shortly. Bye.